Flowing from Himalayan glaciers, the Ganga embodies India's spiritual essence while sustaining millions. This article examines its dual role as a revered religious entity and vital economic resource. We'll also address critical pollution issues and conservation efforts impacting this iconic river's future. The Ganga River is not just water. It flows from the Himalayas down to the sea. For millions of Indians, it is a living goddess. They believe her water has special power. It can clean not only the body, but also the soul. This belief makes the river incredibly important. It is a central part of life and spirituality in India. Every morning, people come to the river's edge. They step into the cool water for a holy bath. They pray quietly and offer bright flowers. This daily ritual is known as puja. It is a beautiful way to show their deep respect. The river gives them a feeling of inner peace. It is a sacred start to their day. When evening comes, a beautiful ceremony begins. It is called the Ganga Arti. Priests stand by the water with large lamps. The flames dance in the dark night. They sing old songs and ring bells. The crowd watches this magical scene in complete silence. It is a direct connection to the divine for everyone present. For Hindus, the Ganga is the ultimate symbol of purity. It is not merely a geographical feature. They see it as a loving mother who protects them from harm. The river guides their spiritual journey through life. This unique connection is what makes the Ganga so special. It truly is the heart of Indian culture and faith. The Ganga provides life to millions of people. Its water supports farming along the banks. Farmers grow rice and other crops here. The river also gives us fish for food. Many families depend on it for their daily needs. It is a vital source for survival and work. The Ganga is truly India's most important river. There is an ancient story about this river. A king named Bhagiratha prayed for many years. He wanted the Ganga to come down from heaven. His goal was to clean the souls of his ancestors. Finally, the gods agreed to his request. This legend shows the river's spiritual importance. The river is especially important in Varanasi. This is one of the world's oldest living cities. People believe that dying here brings salvation. They come from all over India to this place. Families bring their loved ones here at the end of life. The river helps them achieve final liberation. The Kumbh Mela festival happens every 12 years. It is the largest gathering of people on earth. Millions bathe in the river at this special time. They believe it cleans them of all their sins. This event shows the river's power to unite people. It brings together everyone from different backgrounds. Today, the Ganga faces serious problems. The water is not clean anymore. Factories dump their waste into the river. Cities release untreated sewage too. This pollution makes the water dangerous. It affects both people and animals. The river needs our help to survive. Many people still use the polluted water daily. They drink it and bathe in it without knowing the risks. This causes waterborne diseases like cholera. Children often get sick from these conditions. It is a sad situation for such a holy river. Everyone deserves clean and safe water. The government started the Namami Gange project. This program aims to clean and protect the river. They are building sewage treatment plants. They also monitor the water quality regularly. But progress has been quite slow so far. It needs more support from all of us. We can all help save Mother Ganga. We should stop throwing garbage in the river. We need to use less chemical detergent. Teaching others about this problem is crucial. Every small action can make a difference. Together we can restore her purity and beauty. The Ganga shows different characters along her journey. In the Himalayas, she is wild and powerful. The water flows fast through deep valleys. It is clean and clear in the mountains. Then she becomes wider in the plains. The landscape changes completely along the way. In the cities, the river takes on another role. She becomes the center of daily activities. People wash clothes on the stone steps. Children learn to swim in her waters. Boats carry tourists and local people. The river adapts to human needs everywhere. The river supports amazing wildlife too. Dolphins swim in the deep waters. Various birds live along the banks. Turtles lay their eggs on the sand. These creatures depend on a clean river. They are part of the Ganga's rich ecosystem. The Ganga finally meets the Bay of Bengal. Here, she forms the world's largest delta. The Sundarbans mangrove forest grows here. This area is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. The river completes her long journey here. She gives everything to the sea at last. There is new hope for the Ganga today. Young people are leading cleanup efforts. Students join river conservation programs. Social media spreads awareness quickly. Technology helps monitor the water quality. Everyone is realizing the river's importance now. Some positive changes are already visible. A few stretches of the river are cleaner. The government has stopped some factories from polluting. Water treatment plants are working better. Fish are returning to certain areas. This shows that recovery is possible. The Ganga teaches us important lessons. She shows the balance between nature and humans. We must respect our natural resources. Future generations deserve a clean river. Our actions today affect tomorrow's world. The river's story is really about all of us. The Ganga will continue to flow forever. She carries the hopes of millions with her. Her water tells stories of past and present. She reminds us of our connection to nature. Let us promise to protect this great river. May she remain pure for all future time.
Mistakes are not failures. They are signs of growth. Every time you try a new word, you are building a stronger base for your English. Be patient with yourself and allow the process to guide you. Small steps really make a big change. Keep in mind that practice is never wasted. Even short minutes today will become useful skills tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Stay confident, and we will continue this journey together in the next video.